So now we are visit the floating market, but the floating market we have to take the boat go inside, and then you continue walk shopping by yourself. Meeting point in the floating market, supermarket 7-Eleven na.
Damnoen Saduak Floating Market is a floating market in Damnoen Saduak district, about 100 kilometers southwest of Bangkok. Klong Damnoen Saduak is the straightest and longest canal in Thailand. The canal was built on royal initiative as King Rama IV of Thailand wanted to link the Mekong River with Chinese River, ways to support transportation and trade.
Morning.
How much are these?
How many you want? Because I have many designs. If you like my product, I will discount for you.
How much magnet?
300 baht whole pack.
Mango.
Yeah, mango wood, the old mango.
ใกล้หน่อยใกล้หน่อย
You can see.
How much is? 800.
And I can give you 7. Because you take the magnet. Everything I tell cheap. Don't worry. I tell friendly. I don't tell overprice. He understand wrong.
Can you go down?
I cutting my profit. Lana, I don't have profit. Please understand. 6.
Okay, 600.
This color?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
The canal is 32 kilometers long and has more than 200 branches. Damnoen Saduak Floating Market's popularity grew to new heights in 1971 to 1973, when the river was full of farmers on their boats selling their wares. And that is the way trade is performed in this area until today's.
Coconut shell for the handmade.
Come on, Visa.
So them off.
How much is it? Give me how much? I discount for you. You check how many by the VIP.
Brand new masa.
The floating market is crowded with tourists and is considered a tourist trap. Bargaining is a common practice, although the prices of souvenirs and food are generally fixed within a few baht.
Stop, come out walking. I shall very big. Anything you can go.
The floating market includes 3 smaller markets: Thun Kem, Hia Kue, and Kun Phai Tak. Thun Kem is the largest market and is on Klong Damnoen Saduak. Hia Kue is parallel to Klong Damnoen Saduak and has souvenir shops on the canal banks to sell goods to larger tour groups. Kun Phai Tak is about 2 kilometers south of Hia Kue and is the smallest and least crowded market. Damnoen Saduak Floating Market consists of a maze of narrow canals. Female traders, often wearing traditional blue farmers' shirts with wide-brimmed straw hats, use small wooden boats to sell their wares. These boats are often full of vegetables and colorful fruits that are photogenic, and these images are used for tourism promotion.
Food Thai for you. And this. Good same. Not the same model. This. Special for you. Special. And this. Yeah. This. Elephant. Standard. This. Fire. This. Yeah. I give you from souvenir. Elephant. Can do 240. I give you souvenir one more. Souvenir. First one lucky. This. Yeah, sir. This. Okay. From souvenir. Okay. Healing and opening t-shirt.
The market is often the busiest in the morning from 7 to 9 and is active until noon. Canoe cooks can be found preparing and selling boat noodles. A roof was built for the market, so that it could be operated every day and all day.